Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Cozy Autumn Deco using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. Cozy Autumn Deco will consist of hazelnut, chestnut and oak leaves and nuts. Also we are going to make plate where we can place them. First take the red color and mold it into a plate shape. Next, I made 3 bigger leaves starting with yellow clay to make a hazelnut leaf. You can make indents on leaf surface to make it look more realistic. After that, I used orange clay for making chestnut leaf and my needle tool for the indents as well. Finally, you can make oak leaf out of brown clay and make indents on its surface. At this point, I decided to place finished leaves on my red plate. Next, you can make the same leaves just a bit smaller and place them on the top of the bigger leaves. After finishing the leaves, I am going to make hazelnut, chestnut and acorn. You can take brown clay for making hazelnut and then paint it with a darker shade of brown chalk pastel. I used my texture tool to make it look more realistic. I made acorn out of yellow and brown clay. You can paint it with brown chalk pastel as well. After that, I used the back of my needle tool to make the texture. For the chestnut, I used brown and yellow clay. At this point, I place finished hazelnut, acorn and chestnut on the top of the leaves in my Cozy Autumn Deco. And then you can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Cozy Autumn Deco looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!